Hello students, welcome to your JC class. As you know, we have completed your second chapter. In this video, we are going to discuss about the question answer of that chapter. So let's start. So first one is your multiple choice questions. You have to choose the correct answer and you have to take in the bracket or the box. So let's start. Food gets churned here and gets mixed with the digestive juice. 4 options are given: mouth, food pipe, stomach, intestine. What do you think? Which one will be the correct answer? Very good. Stomach is the correct answer because in stomach only the digestive juice are secreting. Then, blood is filtered by this organ to remove waste from our body. So now tell me which organ that acts as a filter in our body? Very good. Kidney, because we have already read that kidney is the filtered organ of the body. The air enters our body through this. So before we have read that the air enters our body through nose and also through the nostrils. Nostrils means the two opening of the nose. So nose is the correct answer. Deep breathing helps us to, which one will the correct answer? Worry, be angry, be positive, clean the air. So before we have read that deep breathing helps us to promote positivity, cleanses the blood, improves mental health and all that. So the correct answer is your be positive. Then respiratory disorders caused by air pollution is. So we have before read that by the air pollution, the asthma, then throat infection and all. So which one will be the correct answer out of these 4 options? Yes, asthma is the correct answer. Then, true or false? Heart supplies oxygen and nutrients to the tissues. True or false? Yes, obviously it is the true. Our brain is protected by our hair. Yes, you know that our brain is protected by the skull. Okay, so the answer this one is your false. Okay, then diaphragm, a dome shaped seat of muscle, is located just below the lungs. Yes, it is true. Deep breathing makes us breathless. No, it is the false statement because deep breathing helps us to breathe more. Okay. Harmful gases released by vehicle cause air pollution. Yes, it is true. So we have completed the true and false. Then we will do the fill in the blanks. Tell me first one. Remember the 5 options: carbon dioxide, bronchitis, liver, oxygen and lungs. So let's start the questions. DAS filters harmful substances from the blood and stores energy in the form of glycogen. So the answer is your liver. Liver only, it stores the energy in the form of glycogen. And also remember one thing, your kidney also filters harmful substances from the body. Okay. The first one is the liver. Okay. First one, liver. Then the air that we breathe out is rich in, very good, carbon dioxide, because you know, okay, we breathe oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. So the second number is your carbon dioxide. Then exchange of gases and purification of blood is carried out by DAS. So where it is? It is carried out by the lungs because the function of lungs is the exchange of gases and purification of blood. The lung is the correct answer. Deep breathing ensures inhalation of more days while exercising. So while exercising, which one is the, we have to ensure that more oxygen is taken. So oxygen is the correct answer for 4 number. Then death is caused by polluted air, bronchitis, because just now we have discussed that bronchitis, asthma and some infection is caused by the air pollution. Okay, so we have completed the fill in the blanks, note down properly all the answers, then match the following. First one, so first we will read out all the options, column A and column B. Blood pumping organ, controlling unit of body, muscular bag in abdomen, largest internal organ, bean shaped organ, and this side brain, heart, kidney, liver, stomach. So tell me which one is your blood pumping organ? Very good. Heart is your blood pumping organ. So while writing the match the column, you have to put hyphen and write the correct answer. No need to join it. Okay. Then controlling unit of the body. Remember, your brain is the controlling unit of the body. Then muscular bag in abdomen. So in our abdomen, which one is there? Your stomach is there. Okay. Largest internal organ. Liver is the largest internal organ. Then bean shaped organ is your kidney. And we have already seen this one in the picture. Okay, your kidney is the bean shaped. Okay, match the column also finished. Look carefully the video and write the answers. Then question answer. So your first question, what are internal organs? Write the names of 4 internal organs. So you know what are internal organs, which you cannot see from outside and which is located inside your body under the skin. Yes? So the name of any internal organs you can write any 4. I have written here kidney, liver, heart and brain. So the answer is the organs which are located inside the body beneath the skin. Okay, the organs which are located inside the body and beneath the skin. And the name of 4 internal organs here I have given kidney, liver, heart and brain. Okay, any other also you can write. Then what is the main function of the heart? The main function of the heart is it supplies oxygen, nutrients to the tissues and removes carbon dioxide and other waste. It is already I have taught you that to supply oxygen, nutrients to the tissue and remove carbon dioxide and other waste. This is the main function of the heart. Then what is the role of our brain? So brain is the main controlling unit of the human body. Why? It helps us to think and send messages to different part of the body and tells them what to do. So as I told you that if someone's brain is not working properly, then he cannot do the works, everything properly. That may be your sitting, running, walking, writing, reading, anything. That will be not done properly. Okay. What role do lungs play in respiration? So remember, the main function of lungs is the exchange of gases and purification of blood. Okay. Then What is air pollution? Write two regions of air pollution. Air pollution is the addition of harmful substances to the air that are a result of human activities. Okay, so when we discuss about the air pollution, okay, at that time I told you that somewhere the humans are only the responsible for the air pollution. Okay, so air pollution means the addition of harmful gases to the air. Okay, then write two regions of air pollution. So this answer you have to write your own, because the remaining 4 answers I have already given, but this one you have to write your own. Don't worry, the answer is given in your book, page 30. The causes it is given, no, the causes of air pollution, that is only the regions for air pollution. Any 2 region you can write. You can write fumes or harmful gases released by vehicles, this is one region. Another one, smoke released due to burning of solid waste, plastic, wood and garbage. And more 2 region also it is given in your book. You can see and you can write. Obviously that one I have taught you. Okay, so no need to worry. See from your book and write. Okay, and another thing students, in our next video we will discuss the question answer of lesson 1. Okay, inside question also I will give you to write, so read properly lesson 1. In the next video we will have a test. Okay, thank you.